In this video, I'll show you how to buy a Hostinger domain. So doing this is pretty simple, and if you just want to buy a domain, or even if you want hosting with it too, here's how you can do it. So you want to go to hostinger.com, and then just go over to services right here, and then you can go to domains and just click domain name search. Here then type in the domain that you want, and then click search. And then you will see all of the available domains such as .com or multiple ones. If you scroll down, you can see all the available options along with the pricing for the first year. For example, for this video, I'll just get this one, which is only $1 for the first year. So just click buy now on the one that you want. And then from there, it will take you to your cart. Then you can choose the period. Now you can still renew after your first year if you only want to bill 1 year at a time. And here you can also see you can get this domain for free when you buy hosting. So if you buy hosting for $4 per month, you can get this domain for free for 1 year. And then you can also add credibility to your brand with a professional email, so you can add that as well. But for this example, I'll just be buying this domain, which as you can see here is going to cost me $1.19. So just going to click continue and then register or sign in if you already have an account. So here you can now choose your payment methods, so they accept card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, and CoinGate. For this example, I will just be using a card, and then it will say your payment is done. Now just click get started, and that will take you to your panel in Hostinger, where you can now register your domain. So first just select your primary information, your country, and whether it's personal or company, then enter your contact details right here. And then once you click finish registration, it will be finishing your domain registration. And now you can start using your new domain, but you need to verify your email address within 14 days. For now, you can just click continue and you can create a website or build a web app if you want. I'm just going to skip this. And now I have bought this domain. So now you know how to buy a domain on Hostinger. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.